So today the principal purpose of this experiment is to introduce you to procedure and instrumentation used for high performing liquid chromatography. So instrumentation is liquid chromatograph. A commercially available liquid chromatograph is used in this experiment where separation is performed on a reverse phase column. So a detector is there. A detector is by absorption spectroscopy. Although the detector is capable of measuring several wavelengths, all the component of the interest absorbed at 254 nanometer. Then data acquisition. Data will be recorded on the line using a digital voltmeter and digital computer. So solution provided is mobile phase eluent. The mobile phase is prepared by approximately 400 ml of acetonitrile with 2.3 ml of glycerical acetic acid and diluting the solution to 2 liter with water. The resulting solution is then adjusted to pH 4.2 by addition of sodium hydroxide. The solution is then filtered through zero point 0.2 micrometer nylon 66 membrane filter under vacuum to degas the solution and to remove the solid that could plug the chromatographic column. The mobile phase solution is very labeled intensive to prepare. Please use in the limit. Then stock solution, 3 standard solution each containing one of the analyte will be provided. These solution contain caffeine, aspartame and benzoate. Then the standard solution, these solution have been prepared for you in the 7 membered vials in according to the table you can see. Then the procedure confirm that all instrument settings are described under the instrument selection have been done. Then rinse the syringe with the several volume of one of the working standard containing 3 components and fill the syringe with the solution with the injector handle in the load position. Eject 0.10 ml of the solution through the septum. Move the ejector handle to the eject position to eject the sample onto the column and click start on the computer screen immediately. The 3 peak will appear on the screen in the sequence. Click stop on the computer screen at about 60 seconds after the third peak return to baseline. Note the time, convert it to minute and set the time per chromatogram to this time. Save this data under a suitable file name on your floppy disk and remove the syringe from the septum and repeat the above process for each of the working standard using the sample time per chromatogram determined for the first run. Then data processing, organizing data. Given that the time axes are the same for all the chromatogram, it is recommended that you consolidate data all chromatogram into one file. Then chromatogram, you can have obtained 7 chromatograms. It can suggested that you plot the 3 chromatogram for the single component standard on one graph, including the plot as figure 1 in your report. This chromatogram can be used to identify the 3 components in the mixture chromatogram. Calibration, plot peak and height. If origin is used to plot the data, the screen reader tool can be used to read peak height directly from the screen with reasonable reliability. Normalize the concentration for each species to highest concentration of that species by dividing each concentration by highest concentration using this normal concentration. Prepare a single graph to include peak height versus the normalized concentration for each species, including the normalization factor in the legends of the calibration plot, and include this plot as figure 3 in your reports. So by this you can easily calculate the high performance liquid chromatography separation compound. So hope you will like this video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.